Chevrolet. What's up, guys? Ugh, look at that dirt. Nasty. Ugh. What do you think that came off of? Yep, my dash. I'm cleaning my dash with some tire shine. Make it shiny. This isn't really what you're supposed to use, but it's what I have. And I like to use what I have. So I'm gonna... Stuff it. This actually clean here is leaking. Before you guys saw... Oh... Didn't want to get all over my mat. Oh well. Before you guys saw me cleaning my truck, the outside at least, outside looks shiny. Can't really see it. Shiny! Now it's time to do the inside. Make the inside look as good as the outside. I'll take this tire shine and shine her up. Smelly thingy. Yep, Corvair Wild says crank her up. I say shine her up. And clean. Because a clean truck is a happy truck. What I gotta do over here? Sorry about the shakiness. Maybe somebody will get me something nice for Christmas, like a camera that has the shake, anti-shake or something. Clean the mats. Nice, shiny. Oh, missed spot. Okay. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take my heads over to Goodyear. My buddies over there at Goodyear, and hopefully they'll let me speaker. They'll let me clean them up. Shine, 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 shine. Yep, they'll let me put my heads in the parts washer. There's this, hopefully, any of you guys that might be watching, there's a guy over in Manchester that wants to do my heads. Wants to charge me $1,000 to do my Corvair heads. Says he'll do it better than any guy in California, because there's a guy in California that does it. Says he'll do it better than they do it. He'll do it the way it's supposed to be done. I don't know. I don't feel like spending $1,000 on Corvair heads just to get the heads done. That is the seats and the valve seats and the valve guides done. That's it. That's all that's gonna get done. Valve seats and valve guides. I don't know about that. If any of you guys out there know about Corvair motors, what I'm building is a slightly modified street Corvair. It's going to have a little bit of gnarliness to it, but not a lot. I don't plan on running it on the racetrack. I plan on soloing it once in a while on autocross. And, you know, just that's once in a while. And I'm just going to drive it in the street and beat on it in the street once in a while. And most of the time just use it, you know, respect it and not, you know, beat it up too bad. If you guys think that Corvair, the stock Corvair seats and valve guides will be okay for that Corvair motor that I'm building, let me know. So I'd really like your opinion on it. I really don't feel like spending $1,000 on Corvair stuff. So All right, guys. Well, I got some work to do. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.